Hi, do you want to become a successful Forex trader? If you do, then I can help you succeed. Let me tell you and explain to you why. My name is Ian Foster, and I myself am a trader and have been now in close to 40 years. But more importantly, I have been a financial educator and trading mentor for this past 25 years. During this time, I've developed and perfected a unique trading system. It is a trading system that I use myself each and every trading day, and it creates consistently accurate trading signals no matter indeed the market or the time frame that I am using. Let me tell you a little bit more about my trading system. It is two components. The first component is based around the price action trend. I have a unique rule set that determines whether we're in a confirmed price action uptrend or a confirmed price action downtrend. And then the second component is using my proprietary software trading tool. It is a very simple and powerful trading tool, and it's a trading tool that I developed myself. I say it is simple because it simply paints the price bars dependent on whether there is strength, weakness or neutrality in the market. If there is strength in the market, it will paint the price bars blue on the chart. If there is weakness in the market, the price bars in that chart will be painted red. Or again, if there's neutrality, they will be painted green. If I see green price bars, it's telling me to absolutely not be of any interest on any trade. But if I see blue price bars, that's telling me that I should be interested in taking a buy trade, a buy signal. All I need to do then is use my price action trend and confirm that we're in a confirmed uptrend. If we are, we immediately take the signal. If we're not, we wait on the price action trend being confirmed and then we take the signal. The same if I see red bars. If I see red price bars, that's indicating weakness. Therefore, I want to take sell signals. But again, before I take the sell signal, I want to confirm that the price action trend is confirmed down. If it is, we immediately take the signal. If it's not, we wait until it is confirmed and then take the signal. By coupling these two components, it creates an edge for me and for the thousands of other traders just like you that I have taught how to use this system effectively over these many years. Now, I'm quite sure that you would like to learn a little bit more about this. So within this area of this video or somewhere, there is a link from which you can sign up. And if you sign up there, you will then be able to watch and see in much greater depth my price action system in action. Also, once you sign up, you can also book a one-to-one Zoom call with me where I explain or answer any questions for you personally. And also it gets us to know each other much better. I very much hope that you enjoy the masterclass, and I also very much hope that I will see you on the other side. Thank you.